Gypset. It's R-E-D. And it's crab, you better know this. Killer corn.
It's the jip around, set around, get around. If you're not getting down, better get down. Jip around, set around, get around. If you're not getting down, better get down. Jip around, set around, get around. If you're not getting down, better get down. It's the jip around, set around, get around. If you're not getting down, better get down. Keep your thoughts in your brain. You don't wanna be another corpse in the rain. Talking grease, I get the tool out. Shank in the belly, make your guts fall out. So it's best that you're holding the thing. Leaving on the pavement, holding them in. And I'm talking about your guts still. Be on point, fam, you'll get rolled on like your truck. I'm not no kinky thing. Big guns will get pushed up in the boat, so hand over that pinky ring. You'll get shanked when spitting on the mic, it don't matter what click you're in. Best thing for you to do is to fall back, you don't want my shank to hit your skin. Grandma gets suplex for the ring. Relax your skin, you'll get bang like weights in the gym. You don't wanna go in the bin. You stop talking gun talk cause you don't bust a thing. Please, look what you got yourself in. I don't mind banging up, man, it's nothing. In your own blood you'll swim. Cause when I get mad I just might cave you in. Drop for the ting but it's give you a trim. It's Conan aka the kingpin. Drop for the Mac on him. You think you big but it's make you look little like him. Then I drive by your house with your grandma's in. Box man like I'm in a boxing ring. Fall back, you don't wanna be bleeding. I'm a killer so watch how you're speaking. The jip around, set around, get around. If you're not getting down, better get down. Jip around, set around, get around. If you're not getting down, better get down. Jip around, set around, get around. If you're not getting down, better get down. Jip around, set around, get around. If you're not getting down, better get down.
Cause I'm not edible, I'm not whole, but I'm incredible. You're the type of nigga that will snitch in a federal. I'm that fuck, I put bricks in the medical. If you're not bad, stay far from the man them, cause shit will start happening. I'll run up on all your boys at random, put a strap out, start clapping it. And none of your boys ain't backing it. So when I say I run up on your boys in the strap, I know they hope I'm chatting shit. So I'm gonna put your whole clique out like a lamp when I catch them. They're all panicking. So I put a long scar in their face in the shack that you there, you got managers. You got left for the pain, like crap, like I'm not a hater, get stuck in a block like elevator. Bring beef to your door like I'm a waiter. Ain't got a shank, I roll with a razor. Fuck the hype ting like pass me the taser. Leave him stumped in the park like Ranger. Leave your head with a big ditch like Crater. I take your face off like wallpaper. When you see me rude boy don't watch. You get kidnapped when you get lost. Ain't got a strap, I roll with a cost. You be fucked up, locked up in a house lock. Daily I roll with a mash and a sock. You get licked down quick like moth. I'm sicker than a common cold, sicker than a cough. Like more across, so get your lines crossed.
Jip around, set around, get around. If you're not getting down, better get down. Jip around, set around, get around. If you're not getting down, better get down. Jip around, set around, get around. If you're not getting down, better get down. Jip around, set around, get around. If you're not getting down, better get down.
Beef, you're not looking right, bang to your face, left cheek that I'm hooking. You don't wanna get left with your chest cooking. I was on my one, you was on your ones coming down the alleyway. And my face, you didn't looking like Uzi falling, holding a set. Not gangster, you're not gully yet. I take your phone, you're like, and I have my SIM card back, please crap. I'm like, no. Boy gets sabo, chop on his back like a piggy bank saddle. I put the army shank for the middle of the Adam's apple. I'm back, make a boy's whole head travel. Like, I've been through life, I've been through shit. I've been through life, I've been through sticks since 1990. Family show me to live life. I got a bus and shoot sticks alive. Now you gonna live with mine. Gangsters, all of your niggas are part-time. Part-time, all of your niggas are part-time. And it comes down to beef, you know it's part-time. Me, no point fighting. Before you put your fist up, I get vibing. Don't talk shit, prick get piped in. Oh shit, I can see your cocoa rising. Kick down the door, bring the 4-5 in. Ain't gonna stop prick till I hear sirens. You might write more bars than me, but you write more bars and you put more lies in.
Jip around, set around, get around. If you're not getting down, better get down. Jip around, set around, get around. If you're not getting down, better get down. Jip around, set around, get around. If you're not getting down, better get down. Jip around, set around, get around. If you're not getting down, better get down.
This red's not crap, but you can get crept on. In a hot set, I'll put a tech to your neck now, tell me where your friend's gone. I'm down, off from one to the chest, I know I got a vest on. In Gypset, you can hold one to the leg, now they call you hop along.
And it's killing on R.E.D. But I still leave man R.E.D. like no. Didn't wanna war with Jip cause Gypset were like the army G. Dre girl to my yard to be more than kissing her. Talking breeze, I put the axe on your head like hair conditioner. Give me the P though, give me the P, I make the ting go bang. One bang make it just spin like fan. Thought he was heavy like kilogram, bang bang, now we know he's fucking with the killer man.
And it's crap, not killer cone. Run up on a nigga when he's still at home. Hand on the trigger home. The pump him up like the rest with the silicone. Fight with crap man, now you should've known. Now it's difficult. Put the thing up in your mouth like syllables. Now it's physical. Gypset to shank man is traditional. Shaq should get left on the floor critical.
You don't wanna come round it. Jaw get spun round it. Skin get bun round it. You're a cruise minus. You don't wanna war with the Gypset's finest. You don't wanna come round it. Jaw get spun round it. Skin get bun round it. You're a cruise minus. You don't wanna war with the Gypset's finest.